We're working on the shifter cart again. Today we're gonna be actually installing the headlights, wiring those in. We're gonna attempt to do the underglow, and then if we have time, we will start working on the rear end, which we have something special, and I'll just show you guys now because I'm too excited about it. I can't help it. I cannot stand it any longer. Look at this. Ooh. We have a big, look at how nice it is. It's just a big wang. Look at how sweet it's gonna be.
Sweet.
Probably not today, but maybe. We definitely took inspiration for the wing from Jacob Sherwood. Looks sweet on his kart, and we wanted the same thing. I started working on a little bit of the harness, just a tiny bit, kind of to run power. So these are gonna be one set's for the headlights, one set's for the underglow, and then we're gonna have to tap the tail lights in.
What about the automatic wing?
Yeah, we're gonna have some active aero on this thing too, you know. We're gonna start kind of laying it out and hooking things up.
Right into the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know.
We have to figure out how to hide this gigantic harness that's made for like an entire car.
Like I got a code. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Hit me, but I keep.
Oh my gosh. Come on. That's sweet.
We didn't even drill that hole.
Yeah, the hole is already there. All right.
We got them temporarily hooked up. And so power the battery on and then oof.
Nice. Whoa. Look at how cool that looks. How bright. Oh my gosh. That's sweet. Yeah, look at it. Deer in the headlights.
How many lumens are those a piece?
A bajillion.
You don't remember?
I don't remember.
Can't wait to see it at night.
Right?
My neighbors can wait though.
We got the headlights wired. It's all kind of tucked up under the front piece here. It runs down here. And then we got it all kind of tied together right in here. The relay is actually bolted and on the other side on this bolt. Power comes from here up to the battery. And then we're gonna work on the underglow kit here. And then Mason is working on the tail. The rear end. We're making progress.
Okay. Yeah.
So we're finding a little bit more of a high point on the frame so we don't just scrape these rock lights right off.
Plan is to use the tape and then drill tiny little pilot holes into them. They came with screws, but they're not self-tappers, so they can't go through the metal. And this one will go right here. And then the wire will run down the frame up towards the seat, and then there's going to be one on the bottom of the seat, and then behind the seat, those
We're going to put a
uprights.
self-tapper right up into the seat.
Yep, so that way you stay in too. You just lock your legs and you shove them onto the screws, and then you're locked in for one heck of a race. How bright is bright? Wow, that works really good.
Those are all pointing pretty good too.
As good as they can get without being scraped off.
Without being scraped off by like littlest of a bump.
Right.
Then we have plates cut out.
Plan with these, right? This is how they'll go. It's gonna ride the edge of the number plate, and then when it gets up to the top here, we're gonna bend it back, and that is where the wing is going to mount. And then the brake lights will mount to the lower portion.
Yep.
So we got some smaller brake lights. So we'll do two on each side, maybe like angle them like such.
Look, yeah, down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop.
We are bending the wing pieces. Good?
Yep.
That's lovely.
Is it working?
It's working.
Ooh. Nice.
Looks sweet.
Ooh.
Here.
Looks about the right angle too. All right. Those look sweet, huh? Should we drill holes for the wing now?
As if it needed more grip.
Yeah, a little bit more weight in the back too.
Mason's been working hard, kicking some serious butt on these rear end pieces. That's so cool looking.
Oh, I didn't even think about it, but now it has room for the bar to go.
Oh yeah.
I ran out of wire though, so I can't finish it.
Can't finish it yet, but that's okay. We got quite a ways. We got the first of the taillights riveted into place. We're using rivets to actually do this. So we drilled a few holes for each light and then, yeah, riveted them to the bumper piece. I'm gonna do this one. I gotta make the holes on this one yet. Just finished the tail lights. I'm really happy with how this came out. This looks cool. I'm ready to see them on the back though. I'm gonna try and bolt them on. Wow. Look how cool that looks. I'm pretty pleased with that. Mason did a really good job. Holy cow. Well guys, unfortunately I was looking through the supplies we have for electrical stuff and we do not have enough connectors. So we're gonna have to wait on getting the taillights powered up. But we do have the underglow and the headlights done. So we're gonna wait until dark and then we are going to take it for a cruise, I believe. We might save the taillights and the wing for the next video. You know what else I could do in the meantime is hook up the tack. I could do that. That doesn't take much. I might do that.
Keep going. I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing. Pull shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. I see a flip.
Alright, got the tack all wired up. It's good. Looks sweet, sitting right there. It's nice. The wires run really well down along this thing, down by the battery here. It does look a little bit like a jumbled mess in here. This is what we got for our wiring setup. I mean, there's nowhere to hide it on this thing, considering it's just a frame with some wheels and an engine. We got the wire wrapped around the spark plug wire for the RPM measurement, and then this black wire here acts as the new crush washer for the spark plug, and that's how you get your temperature reading. Sorta, yeah. Oh, wow.
Should I brighten it up?
Yeah, that's cool looking.
That looks awesome at night.
Wow. At night.
Don't say it like that.
Have you ever heard that?
No.
No? SpongeBob? Taking out the trash at night?
At night.
At night.
I burn my hand at night.
Dude, these lights are so bright. Look at that. It's lighting up the whole house. Oh! My gosh. They're so bright. I think we'll be fine. You're not hitting any deers on this thing.
Can you see the unit now?
Well, you look like you're about to tell a scary story. Now you just look like an idiot.
There you have it. Some accessories. We got the battery on today, the underglow, the tack, the headlights, and soon to be the spoiler.
Yeah, we were gonna drive it, but it's just, we don't want to make the neighbors mad. It's Thursday evening, and
We'll wait till Friday evening,
yeah,
Saturday
so
evening.
you'll get to see it rip with all the lights on in the next video. We'll take it out at night and do some drifting, some night drifting.
Oh, I can't wait. We got to put the plastics back on for that. Stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, flex. I just wanna win. Yeah, LA BB, who we running